Yo guys, I hope you're doing good. So today it's gonna be an English speaking video, and I'm gonna share something. Uh, this is actually for the people who want to listen English from Bangladeshi people. So this video is gonna be helpful for you. Watch it till the end. আপনি যদি ইংরেজি শুনতে চান তাহলে এটা দেখুন. So what is the topic? The topic is actually I'm gonna share some real experience from my life, and that is uh, 2022 and 2023, especially 2022. I cannot remember that year. What happened at that year? I cannot remember. It's a mysterious year for me. I really regret for that year, not to get it back, not to remember, not to be in that time again. So why do I want to get it back? And actually, why can't I remember anything happened at that year? It's because uh, at that year nothing special happened, nothing major changes I got, like anything mentionable, like any skills I acquired, no, any techniques I get to know, no, nothing happened. Any appreciation, anything, nothing. Actually, I just wasted it. So that is why I cannot remember 2022, and I want to get it back. It's just 1 year, and also nothing special happened in 2023, but it was average. But in my young life, when I'm a student, university student, I cannot let go 1 year like that. Not, no way. There's no chance, because it's special, it's precious, it's important, it's never going to come back. If you want to change your life, if you want to decide your career, if you want to go higher than you thought, this is the time. It's the time to make changes. But I didn't change anything, so I feel really regret, I feel really shame on myself. I want to kill myself, I want to hit myself. How can I do that? So anyway, I have decided that I get the feelings, strange feelings, that what did I do in 2022 and what happened now. Actually, it's because I cannot differentiate from now and then, because I'm not doing anything special. So I decided to do anything special or anything possible every month. Like this month, I'm gonna take a challenge about learning one thing. This, and after next month, I'm gonna learn another thing. By this, how I'm gonna remember every month. Actually, I'm gonna make changes. Yeah, that's a good one. And uh, what I'm gonna do in 1 month. Like, for example, I'm gonna learn guitar. Just example. I'm gonna complete my education. I mean, preparation for final exam just in 1 month. I can learn another skill from my background. What can help me get a new job, in the future, or set my career. So yeah, this is also everyone from that side behind the camera, in front of the mobile. I want to say you that actually make your days, make your months remembered. You can just do exceptional things, and just go with that. It will give you the output, give you the feedback when it's the time. So till then, bye. And to the people, make sure to subscribe.